Like, I'm just trying to find something of value. Okay, this is kind of cool. And of course it's not in there. That probably would be worth a little bit of money. This is an old Coors, 60s, 70s Coors neon, broken. That would have been cool. Most of these boxes are from the early 90s, untouched, and they have very random stuff in them. We just got to stay patient. It's hard though, because it's just incredibly frustrating to sit here and breathe dust, going through stuff that every time you open a box, it's just trash.